What's up guys, T-Rex and Mr. God right here with TRexMedia.com. Now, I've been getting a lot of questions about how I set up my Presonus Audiobox 96 studio, and into this video I'm going to show you the exact same settings that I actually use when it comes to setting up your mixer, your gain, and all of that kind of stuff. Now, this was actually brought up by Face Reality, who made a comment on one of my videos saying what are the levels in the mic and mixer and suppose that you actually use on, and it was actually followed up by Lexus Solar, who actually said I should make a video on this, so this is that same video. So just like I always say guys, if you go down in the comment section and you actually make a request, I would really consider it if it's something I can actually do. So here we are. So I'm just going to do this for you guys, and it's really going to be simple, really going to be quick, and you would definitely be able to make yours after this video. So stay tuned without wasting any sort of time. Let's dive right straight into it. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is get your device, and I'm already guessing that you have a computer, a microphone, some headphones, and a door. Now for this tutorial I'm going to be using a 2019 MacBook Pro with moderate specifications, the Lantern LA220, the MC350s from Mackie, and Studio One. Now you can actually get all of this that I've actually talked about in the description box right down below. If you want to pick any of this for yourselves, they are going to be right down there below. Amazing prices, amazing deals guys, and also I'm also going to leave links to all of these reviews in the cards right above. Okay, so the very first thing I need you to do is connect your microphone and headphones to the audio interface. Then I want you to connect your device to your computer. Now next, open your door and you should actually see your device connected. Now if you don't see it, just search for it. Now this is going to vary depending on the type of door that you're actually using. Now once you're actually ready to record, turn on your 48 Phantom V and make sure that you have power on your microphone. Now this comes the actual part for the actual settings right here. Now first for the line 1, or the gain as some actually know it as, I like to set this at the middle first, and then as I do a lot of testings and all of that, I like to just fade away and just go around until I find the output that's actually really good enough for me. Now this is going to vary again depending on the type of microphone that you're actually using. Now I leave my instrument port as 0 because I don't use it as much, but if you're gonna do some recording with an instrument, then I would suggest, if you're going to do that with an instrument or you're going to be using sort of set on mic, then you can actually start this off with the same way. Just leave it at a very reasonable point and then just increase or reduce, just depending on if you want your instrument to be a lot louder than your vocals or you want it vice versa. Now next we're going to move on to the mixer, and which I always like to keep in the middle. That's really simple. I just like to leave it there, and maybe as I record I can just adjust the playback more or just get some more input on that one. Now next I like to leave my headphones in the middle as well, because I do love to hear my output as I do record. Now depending on the type of person that you are, some like to actually reduce this all the way, but depending on the type of recording that you're actually doing. Now last but not least is the main, which is your decibel settings, which goes all the way from -80 all the way to +10. Now I like to keep mine within this area as it actually works absolutely best for me. Now one thing you really need to know is that there is no exact one size fit all when you're actually trying to set up a device like this. Now setting up an audio device like this, it depends on a lot of things. It depends on the kind of microphone that you're using, the type of door that you're using. It depends on so many things. So I really hope this is really going to help you get an idea of what you can actually do as you move on, as you become a producer, a self-recording artist, or an audio engineer. You're gonna really understand these things a lot more. Okay, all of these things I did have to just learn it for myself, so you can actually do it too. It's not rocket science, it's not difficult. I really hope this video really helps you. Let me know in the comment section right down below if you do run into any sort of hurdles. I do one-on-one video sections with a lot of people trying to fix their problems and trying to connect their devices. I really love doing that on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. We can actually chat there, bring your problems to me right down in the comment section below if you did actually get this, or if you did actually find it somewhat difficult. I will try my very best to explain in the very best way that I can actually do. Now if you are like me and you spend a lot of time in front of a computer and you're looking for something to protect your eyes from the blue light, or you do have some sort of medical condition with your eyes and you do use prescription glasses, or you just want to go full-blown fashion and actually just be stylish, then I suggest you go down in the description box right below and check out Jade Black. Okay, I talked about these guys a lot before and I'm still going to talk about them again. Okay, they're amazing, they're good. They have a whole host of collections, right from blue lights to prescription and all the way to sunshades, anything that rocks your boat. Okay, really affordable, really nice, really beautiful. There's 10% off of your first purchase, so any other sort of purchase that you actually use, using that link right down below, and also using the code life of T-Rex. Okay, let me know if that works out for you. Okay, and also check out my music on Apple Music and also Spotify. There's a whole bunch of stuff that I do there. Check out my website and all of that, my mixtapes, everything, original songs and all of that. Okay, now if you can do me an absolute favor and smash that like button, okay, just go gangster on that thing, okay, because it's really gonna feed the algorithm and also help this video do a lot better. Though it's gonna help a lot of people find this video if they were actually looking for something like this. Okay, I know this is an issue a lot of people run into. How do I sell my devices? I got the devices, now what do I do with them? How do I sell them? How do I record? Okay, so this is gonna help a lot of people find that video. Just smash that like button, okay, leave a comment right down below. It's really gonna feed the algorithm and really going to help. Subscribe if you haven't already, so if you want to see a lot more future videos like this, then you are really not going to miss them. Turn on that bell notification so you can actually just get that. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Okay, like I said, follow me on Instagram, check out the music on Apple Music, on Spotify as well. Okay, and I will see you around. Okay, stay safe.